me tell you something. The mission you're on right now, this business mission that you're on, this mission to build a business, to take care of your family, you better get selfish. Okay, you better put a financial statement together. Running a business is about money, period. Okay, it's not about all this other stuff that you're being told right now. I went to college, spent 17 years. My dad died when I was 10 years old. I have two major regrets in my life: that I didn't get to spend more time with my dad, and that I didn't serve in the military. I had a chance, and I didn't do it because my mom talked me out of it, because my mom's like, oh, don't get hurt. Okay, and what I did was I ended up with no mission, and I got hurt bad. From the age of 15 years old to 25, zero mission, no mission. There was no mission in life. How many of you see people doing this every day? No mission, no place to go, nothing to achieve, no target, okay, no enemy, no clear enemy. I was working with the Pentagon, 100,000 troops coming back. They're like, hey, can you help these guys in transition, dude? I said, yeah, I can help you, but you gotta quit talking about things that they don't understand, man. Like what? I said, like, find a job you love. How many heard that before? You gotta find a job you love, man. Okay? How many heard that before? You gotta find something you love. The only way to be successful is find something you need to find a job that's gonna make you some money. Okay? It's money, man. You live on an economic planet. This isn't a planet about Army, Navy. This isn't a planet about white or black, short or tall, male or female. This is an economic planet. If you got enough money, nobody cares what you look like, how you talk, or what your language is. This is what they didn't teach you in school. This is the only reason I went to school. I wanted money. 64% of all businesses in America break even or lose money. Listen to what I'm telling you right now. 64% of every business in America, there's 28 million of them, break even or lose money. And it doesn't matter if the economy is good or bad. They break even or lose money. Here's the freaking phenomenal thing, okay? Break even shouldn't be a category. Who would make break even a category? Breaking even is losing. If I told you that you're gonna put a bunch of resources, a bunch of time, you're gonna work your ass off every day, you're not gonna see your wife and your kids most of the time, you're gonna be terrified every second of every day to break even, what would you say?